8.5 by 18, black with blackout trim, concession trailer. I'm gonna go over the specs and how to hook up your power and water. Quick overview of the outside of the trailer. 8.5 by 18 with an extended tongue. It does come with stabilizing jacks underneath. 5,200 pound axles, 2 of them, tandem. Does have city water fill, 30 gallons plus a 50 gallon gray water. Come right here, you'll see in the center of your axle here you have this rubber grommet. You're going to pop this off. There's a grease nipple. You hook a grease gun up to that, fill your axles with grease. That'll help with the maintenance and the lifetime of your trailer. Come around here to the back of the trailer, 2 brake lights. On the passenger side you have a concession window with a flip up counter and a concession door. You do have scissor jacks in the back as well. Follow me over here to the side. Right here's your 50 amp electrical plug-in. Before plugging in your power cable, make sure that the power is off to your breaker or generator. After making sure that the power is off, you're going to come over here. It'll plug this in. You're going to push in, turn to the right, and then tighten this collar. Some of the cords have collars, some of them don't. If they don't, it's fine. It locks in when you twist it, so it can't come out. And then once you're plugged in, you can turn on your breaker system or your generator. And then you should have 50 amps of electrical power. At the end of every shift, when you're closing up, what you're going to want to do is, again, go turn the breaker system off or the generator. Once you've ensured that those are off, you're going to push in, twist to the left, and then pull out, and that'll unplug your cable. Up here we have your city water fill. This key right here will be around the sink inside. You have a open fill right here where you can just drop the hose in like so, and then turn your power on or water on. Or you can do this one right here. It fits any normal water hose. Make sure it's food grade before you hook it up. Okay. All right, that's the outside of your trailer. Your city water fill, or I mean your gray water right here is a 3-inch hose. You'll just twist this off. Oh. Jeez. Gray water, 3-inch hose. You're just gonna pop this off like that, twist off. Once this is off, you can connect your hose here, pull this lever right here, and that releases all the gray water. Once you're done, just pop the cap back on. And you can also use the water hose fitting on the front right here. Just screw on a water hose, run it wherever you need to. Okay. Let's step inside the trailer. Stepping inside, to the right, you do have an under-counter fridge with a shelf above it. Another very large under-counter fridge with a sandwich prep on top of it, or I mean a pizza prep, with another shelf above it. You do have fire suppression. So whenever you get your equipment hooked up in here, the fire suppression will work. If you try to put the fire out with the fire extinguishers and that doesn't work, come over here, pull this pin, knock this lever to the left, and that'll open up the fire suppression up here. It does come with a hood. And it does have variable speeds, so you can have a lower speed or a higher speed. Once you're done, just click off. You do have a service counter right here with additional storage underneath and a shelf above your concession window. At the back of the trailer, you do have a 3-tier dishwashing station along with a small hand washing station and a shelf above that for storage. You have 4 LED lights and AC. Here's those fire extinguishers. I'm going to test the hot water for you real quick. Oh, underneath the sink, you do have your hot water heater, your water pump, and your blowout valve. Right now it's reading about 106. It is possible to go all the way up to 120. Okay. Oh no. Go ahead and show you the cold water. Okay. Once you're done with your sink and everything, you can turn the water pump off over here, just like so. And at the nose, you do have your electrical panel and power inverter with fuse panel and small battery.